going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. I got a new plow setup for the 6.0. It's a Western Ultra mount. It's a 10-foot straight blade. So I bought this thing the other day and starting to plow some snow with it. And the plow just wants to fold over pretty easily. It's not bad on asphalt, but once you hit uneven surfaces like gravel, it just wants to fold over. And I'm pretty sure the springs just need adjusted. They're pretty loose, so I'm gonna give that a whirl. I got new eye bolts for it, so I'm gonna show you guys how to adjust the springs on your Ultra mount plow. So I'm sure these bolts and stuff are pretty rusty, so I've went ahead and put some Croil on it for the past couple days, and I'm hoping it comes off without having to take a torch to it. It's the whole reason I'm replacing these eye bolts is because on these two, they didn't budge. Well, went and bought a torch. Had to use that. I got two of them off right now. Just gonna go get the other ones off. Just heating them up, they popped right off. So. When you go to loosen these, make sure you back it up with the wrench so that spring doesn't twist around. Alright guys, so I ran into an issue. So this is an old bolt, which is way shorter than the new ones I got, and the eyelet's bigger. So I had a little bit of an issue getting all this to fit. So I'm gonna go ahead, take the grinder and match the old one up to it and then cut it off. See how well that works, so I have enough room to bend everything and get it back up in here. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. actually, to tighten these, I'll need a 15/16 socket and a wrench to back up right here so the spring don't twist. And then to check tightness, I was always told to get like a card or something, and then once it's tight, you stick it in between the springs, and that's how you adjust the tightness. So, after you get everything all adjusted, just make sure you get this bottom nut and tighten it up. Alright guys, I got all the springs tensioned and tightened down. If any of you were wondering, this is the brand focuses that I went with. CarQuest actually had these for like $8 or $9 a piece, and they had 4 in stock. If I had to do this all over again, I probably want to go for like the Universal, because this is for Meyer, Western, and Diamond snowplows. So it's kind of a universal one, and I don't know, I personally didn't like how all that fit and how the eyelet was so small, and I had to cut all that off, but I don't know, they worked. They have minimal threads left, so I can't tension them much more, but that would be my only complaint. Alright, let's hook the plow up and go clear some snow. So I will say tightening these springs helped a little bit, but it's still wanting to fold over. I know my cutting edge isn't the best. I'm gonna have to replace that. And I'm gonna try adjusting these settings right here, since my truck sits up higher than the last person who owned this plow, and see if that helps anything. But anyway, thanks for watching.